Hey everyone, Jason with Inspired Flight here. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your IF800 aircraft. We'll take it step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have everything installed and ready to go. Before we dive in, here's one quick safety reminder. First, remove both aircraft batteries. Make sure the arms are folded and the propeller holders are installed. You don't need power on the aircraft for this update. Now let's get started. Begin by opening Mission Planner on your PC. Next, connect the aircraft's USB-C port to your computer using a USB-A to USB-C cable. In Mission Planner, select the Mavlink COM port option. If the COM number changes, that's okay. If you don't see Mavlink, choose Auto and click Connect. Once connected, go to Config, then click on Full Parameter List. Click Save to File and name it something like Pre-Update Params. This creates a backup of your current settings. Now, let's check the Lua scripts on the aircraft. Select the MAV FTP tab, double-click the APM folder, and then open the scripts folder. You should see these two files, IF800 script V10 flipped front Lua, and either payload 1 Lua or payload 1 final Lua. If you do not see these scripts, they will need to be added. Find the link below to download the Lua scripts. Now drag and drop the correct scripts from your computer into the scripts folder. Now let's confirm which cube version your aircraft is using. Go to the Messages tab and click Disconnect to pause incoming data. Scroll through the messages to find the cube version field. You'll either see IF800 444 for the blue cube, or IF800 Cube Orange Plus for the Orange Plus cube. You'll need this info to pick the correct firmware file for your aircraft. You can download a copy of the files from the link down below. Now, download the firmware file that matches your cube version. Double check before continuing. Using the wrong file can cause instability. With the USB cable still connected, go to Setup, then Install Firmware. Click Load Custom Firmware. Don't choose a vehicle type. Find the file you downloaded and begin the installation. We can see the upload in progress from the green bar on the screen. Wait for the firmware update to finish. Once the update completes, click on Connect once more and wait for the connection sequence to complete. Now that we've uploaded the new firmware, we'll navigate back to the Messages tab to make sure that the version is updated. Once we have verified the firmware version, we can disconnect the USB cable from the aircraft. Now, let's take the aircraft outside. Install a single battery. This will power the drone, but it won't allow it to arm. Turn on both the aircraft and your ground control system, open the IGC app, tap the IFT logo in the top left, and go to Vehicle Setup, then Summary. Make sure you see the 3 green circles for frame, radio, and sensors. Under Frame, check that frame class is set to Quad. Frame type is set to V, and the firmware version reads 4.5.6. If any of those circles are not green, stop here. Do not recalibrate, instead contact Inspired Flight Customer Success. Now that you've completed the firmware update and script install, go ahead and restart the IGC app and reboot the aircraft. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, we're here to help. See you in the next video.